Christmas is coming, and if there's a photographer on your list, in this video, I'm going to share 9 gift ideas under $25 that any photographer will love. Now, buying camera gear for a photographer can be really hard. There's so many different types of camera systems. It makes it really difficult to know what to buy, and not to mention, photography equipment can be really expensive. Photographers are also very particular in the gear that they choose, which makes it extra difficult to find a Christmas gift for them. So the following gift ideas will please any photographer, no matter what camera system they use, and best of all, they are all under $25. While most of these gifts you should be able to find at a local camera store, I've made it super simple to find them online, and I've left links to Amazon down in the video description below. Number 1, Rocket Air Blaster. Now, these air blasters are used to remove dust and debris from camera lenses. They make the perfect gift for a photographer, and they can just have them and throw them in their camera bag. Number 2 is a lens cleaning pen. And these handy little pens are perfect for cleaning your lenses. They're the best for taking off oily fingerprints and little bits of dust from a lens. Number 3, portable power bank. Battery power banks make a great gift for photographers. You can never have too many batteries, but it's also hard to know exactly what camera they have. So now the majority of cameras you can actually charge via USB. And if you have a photographer on your list that does a lot of hiking or outdoor activities, this is a perfect gift for them. Now, as a bonus, these can also be used, because they're USB, they can also be used to charge your cell phone. Perfect gift for any photographer. Number 4 is an SD card reader. These micro little mini SD card readers are a perfect stocking stuffer. It's a USB memory card reader, and what it is it will read the SD cards of all the different types of cameras. So no matter if they're using a micro SD or a regular SD, it will work for any photographer's system, and allows them to quickly transfer pictures from their little memory card over to their computer. Number 5, photography idea cards. These are great gift ideas for photographers as well. The set includes 72 different cards, and each one has like a unique photography theme or challenge, as well as a hashtag that they can use on their social media to share it out after they do these little activities. Number 6 is a book I love. I have this book as well. It's called the Photographers Playbook. It's the best way to learn is by doing, and this photography playbook has 307 different assignments, ideas, and stories, and different anecdotes from some of the most famous photographers in the world. And it's a great book for a photographer to read. Gives them some ideas and things that they can do out with their photography skills. There's some great advice in this book. A photographer will get better shooting, editing, and creative ways to start new projects, games, activities. It's really the perfect gift for a photographer of any skill level. Number 7 is the memory card carrying case. Now, these are perfect for keeping your memory cards safe. And this case that I'm sharing here can hold 12 SD cards as well as 12 micro SD cards. A photographer will know what those means. It's perfect for basically any photographer, because it will use all of their memory cards that they have. It will keep them safe, because every photographer has lost a memory card. Number 8 is kind of a fun one. A camera mug shaped like a Instagram icon. Now, it's kind of just a fun thing. If a photographer likes coffee, this mug is a no-brainer. And the last one, number 9, is gift cards. If you know which camera shop that your photographer that you're buying for shops at, a good gift will definitely be a gift card for them. They'll have no problem spending that at their favorite store, and they can also use, if it's a smaller amount, say $25, they can use it towards their next purchase. If you're unsure of what store that they shop at, an Amazon gift card is perfect for a photographer, because any photographer can spend money on Amazon quite easily. There you have it, 9 Christmas gift ideas for any photographer under $25. If you have any questions about any of these gifts I shared, and you aren't sure if the photographer that you're buying for will like them, by all means, feel free, leave me a comment down below. I will be sure to get back to you. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you found this video useful, hit the like button. If you aren't subscribed, even if you're not a photographer, you might want to follow along or share this channel with a photographer you know. Please consider subscribing, hit the bell notification. You'll get notified of new videos, and until the next one, you can check out this.